Be honest, did you rage click this video just because I put R160C in the thumbnail? And you want to say, there's no R160C! Well, gotcha. Hashtag #GoGoSuperTroll. Hey everybody, I am super excited because I was not going to record this little trip to Whitehall, but then this little R160C R train pulled up, and I've never seen or ridden one, so I thought you guys might enjoy riding the R160C R train. Now some of you might be saying to yourselves, and to me, and screaming at the screen, there's no such thing as an R160C. It's just a regular R160, and they put stickers all over it. Well, you're right. It's the, Cuomo wrap? Is that what you call it?
This is the street metro. Transfer is available to the A, C, and F.
Alright, here we are. J Street Metro check, riding the R160C. I guess the C is for Cuomo. You know what? It's just easier to say R160C than R160 Cuomo wrap with all these stickers. In fact, you know what? I am going to say it over and over again. I'm going to put it in the thumbnail.
The next stop is Court Street.
Court Street's next. I'm going to put it in the thumbnail. I'm going to put I'm going to put R160C in the thumbnail, and I'm going to, you know what? Be honest. Did you rage click this video just because I put R160C in the thumbnail? And you want to say, there's no R160C? Well, gotcha. Hashtag #GoGoSuperTroll. I got news for you. That's what I'm calling it. That's what some people call it. That's not the official rolling stock name for it, but that's enough. For right now, let's just admire these decals they put on it. These decorative decals. So I've ridden one of these on the E train, the L train, the F train.
This is Court Street.
Court Street. I have never
is available to the 2, 3,
never
4,
seen one on the R.
and 5 trains.
So here we are. Court Street. So the next stop will be Whitehall.
The next stop is Whitehall.
Whitehall Street. Alright, cool. Oh, we're about to go through the tunnel. Yeah, these glasses don't see real well out the windows, so... wonder if we need to speed on through. This is not... Wait a minute, who parks their bike on a pole? Like, it's locked and everything. There's a bar lock. Who did that? How did I not see that? Was that here when I got here? Anyway, let's get on through the tunnel. Everybody's super busy. As they should be, because it's very... I don't know. Gotta find something to do on the train. Can only look at the walls so much. And the guy holding the cow, baby calf. This is just a cat, not a baby cat. All cats are babies. Staten Island Ferry! Okay, not going on that. So we're getting off here. I was just going to ride the one train to 42nd Street, but I decided to actually record the R train. But we're done with the R train. Now let's just find the one train. There's a W. I assume that's a W. A proper R160, right? Or is that R160A? I don't know. Anyway, one last look. Never seen that before. Very cool to me. R160C. 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 Hashtag #GoGoSuperTroll. Alright, anyway, let's go on up and we'll get to the one platform. It's the weekday, so probably not a 2 or 3 train there. Just the one, starting from South Ferry, standard ride. Ah, yes. Good old shiny tree art installation at South Ferry. I guess they wanted to show what this used to look like before it was populated. There's the one, and I'm going to the next one. Not a lot of people get on at South Ferry in midday, do they? I guess the first stop or last stop of any place is the origination point of any place is not really not really very populated a lot of times. Standing clear of the closing doors. There they go. Alright, cool. We got an empty car. Now, normally, I would do a little dance. But let's just look at let's just do a tappity tap on through. And I'm gonna sit down. Yeah, my legs are, let's just prop the legs up. Can't get comfortable. Maybe like, no, can't do that. It's not comfortable. Maybe if I put them all the way, there we go. Ah, that's good. Oh wait, people are getting on. Oh well. No more train car to myself. Not doing a little dance on the train because, you know, the glasses would fall off. You guys need to, I mean, some of you like, I really should do a poll. How many people like the point of view glasses versus the, you know, big 4K 60p, with it's a little camera, but it's pretty powerful. Wonder how many people, because I like the high quality video better, but this offers some interesting perspectives, like I can do this, Trade Center, and then lean my head on back out, and back to leaning back. And then I have both hands free, obviously, and this is also pretty incognito. Problem is I have to put a stabilizer on this. You know, the footage is pretty jittery, usually. Pretty jittery. So, I'm not seeing what it looks like right now, but I think I will put a stabilizer on it in the future. Car number 2268. We're in an R62A. I'll look it up later and put it in the thumbnail. Not gonna call this one anything special. Just... Alright, well, there go. Oh look, we're at Chambers Street. And there goes the 3. And there goes the... There went the 3. I said I was gonna ride the 1, the 42nd Street. The MTA is making it really difficult. Like, we're stalled. Alright. Tappity tap to the stall. Come on. Still, and there's a 2 train. Alright, you know what? If I take the 2 train, I'll get there faster. Yeah, okay, let's take the 2. Bye, 1 train. On to the 2. Ugh, somebody spilled that. You guys see that? Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Bronxbound 2 Express. Yay, 14th Street is next. Awesome. Anytime now. Waiting for the... Anytime now. Oh. Ow! You are really outdoing yourself today, MTA. Ouch. You not only hurt my ears, we're being held in the station. Oh wait, the 1 train just closed its doors. Is it leaving? It's leaving. I mean, it's making local stops, right? So it's not that big a deal. I mean, we're still gonna catch up to it if we leave anytime today, sometime today, anytime now. Wait a minute, what does that say? Because of... That said something. Because of Uptown, 1 trains are running it on the express. Wait a minute. Was that 1 train just running express and What are you doing to me? I could have ridden an express 1 train. The heck are you... They didn't make an announcement. There's another 1 train. Okay, cool. So maybe this one's going express, yeah? Stalled. Let me make sure. What does it say? I think it said stalled because of a stalled train somewhere. Because of a stalled train. Okay, at 18th Street. Okay. Oh, wait. It disappeared. What? That 3's it? So, wait a second. Is it still a stall? There's that cup again. Okay, I'm gonna take a chance. Okay, so the next stop's Franklin Street, though. So is it going express or not? I wanted to ride the 1 express, but you got my hopes up, MTA.
Once again, passengers will be necessary.
Oh, you're killing me today. I just want to get to 14th Street. Killing me. Come on. Alright, you know what? I'm going to take a chance. Maybe this 1 train will go express. Maybe that stalled train is still at 18th Street. I don't know. Maybe that was a mistake. Who knows? But I'm on the 1 train. I'm committing to the 1 train. Bye, 2 train. I'm committing to the 1. Alright. Anytime now. There we go. Hooray! Alright, so this is not the same one train, but it's still a one train, and here we are. Okay, let's have a seat. And, alright, MTA, you're playing. MTA is trolling me today. You guys see that? What? Let's see. Let's just kill the time by. Let's see, it goes all the way to Van Cortlandt. We already know what. Come on, it's the one. It's the one. We know where it goes. Right? Anyway. I don't even know if the glasses can actually see, can actually read that. We'll see. It's Franklin! Franklin! R-E-S-P-E-C-T. That's right. Canal Street is next. I should look up why they call it Canal Street. I assume because it's a canal used to be there. Just like Wall Street, a wall used to be there, right? Cool. Alright. I'm a little bit bored. So let's tappity on through some stuff. Yep. I'm on the 1. Maybe I should have ridden the 2 after all. Christopher Street is next. Almost the 14th. Almost. Tappity. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna go read that poem. I do like these poems. This one is, I guess it's about the owl. Okay, The Owl by R160C. The path was purple at dusk. I saw an owl perched on a branch, and when the owl stirred, fine dust fell from its wings. I was silent and felt the owl quaver, and at dawn, the path was green in the May light. Nice owl. Hey, I have an owl head. Look at that. Owl head. Owl head. Hey, Super Toe fans. Owl head. So where are we? Christopher Street still? Next stop's 14th! Yay! Ah, woo! Okay, well anyway. I'm gonna tappity on there. Pretty good day! Rode a R160C. Ha 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 ha. Go, hashtag go Super Troll. And is that the 2 train that left without us? I wouldn't be surprised. MTA the way it is. Anyway, 14th Street. Alright, I think we're done. I was gonna ride a 42nd, but MTA has trolled me enough, and I'm just gonna call it quits here. And let's say bye to the 1, the second 1, and there it goes. See ya, trolling me, and subscribe. This guy's good. Hope I don't get pinged for copyright. There we go. He doesn't. That's all I can afford, dude. Sorry.